let's see. Let's go. All right, we are live. We got some things happening today. Let's see. All right, so starting off, we're looking at Palantir. Got an eye on Tesla. Slow down to like the 15-minute chart on things. Yoko's Larry, good morning, family. It is election day. That's kind of crazy to think about when you think about it. Let's see. Yeah, Palantir has a bit of a wild morning going for it. Yeah, it's very exciting. I mean, it'll probably, unless the election is a blowout, it'll probably take some time for us to get some results. But yeah, it's very exciting. You know, maybe we'll experience a little change. Hopefully it's positive, you know. Oh, hold up. Meta is up this morning. What's up? Meta is taking off. Hold up. Okay. So yeah, Meta's already up 1% on the day. Something's going on. Here, let me actually share the link out. Just realized I didn't share the link. So real quick. All right, got that in there. All right, coming back to it, let's see. Yeah, we're kind of popping a little bit at open here. Let me go to the 4 hour on Palantir. Let's see what's going on. So Apple. All right, so a lot of things here. Let me clear out some of these EMAs. So a lot of things I have trend lines on. They're kind of being tested. All right, so right now, Apple went up, tested this trend line. Amazon, still kind of waiting for a trend to be formed on that, but if that does end up being a trend, we'll start that right there just in case it does. Tesla. All right, so I was saying if Tesla kind of ends up going above like this 249, 250 area, might be a good place to grab something long for it. So may end up having to check out Derive for that. Let me, I'm gonna draw like a hard little line of support or resistance at 250. Because it kind of looks like Tesla wants to go for it. All right, then going on. Let's see. So Meta had that pop. Google. Palantir. I think I tried to put support around this like 4770 area, but we'll have to watch that. Then Nvidia. Yeah, I'm still in PayPal. PayPal hasn't even moved yet. So PayPal, the way that we benefit from that PayPal here, we'll take a look at PayPal in a moment. The way that one benefits from PayPal, so first off, this is the timeline that we have for the trade. So PayPal doesn't expire to here. If we get a move, honestly, even up to this $84 level, and it's sometime over here, that's going to pay. PayPal hasn't moved a crazy amount since we've gotten in, so we should probably be down a little bit, but that was low risk, high reward trade right there. Let's see. So actually we're up on PayPal. So PayPal currently up $1 from when I entered that trade. But here, let me like look at the trade simulator. So right now it shows if we run up to $84, the contract would be worth $140. Let's say if we run up to 84 by the 10th. If we run up to 84 by the 10th, we'll have taken, that'll be about a 400% return. If it ends up actually getting to the money, that's like a 500% return right there. So I'm trying to get back to my low risk, high reward kind of trade setups. So yeah, I'm still in there. That's more of the trades I'm looking for. Tesla, maybe looking to take a similar trade on Tesla, like right now. Actually, okay, yeah, real quick. About to run some numbers on Derive and see, look for a good contract on Tesla for probably the same amount of time because Tesla just hit my entry criteria. Oh, also, good morning, Roy. Good morning. But yeah, let me real quick. I'm gonna run the numbers. I'll kind of run it over here on this side over here so we can. I'm gonna pull Tesla back up. Yeah, so Tesla broke this trend line. I wanted Tesla to break this level of resistance. And I think they can come retest this 260 level, then maybe 263. I think they're coming for that over like the term of a swing though. I'm not like in the biggest rush to get in the trade right now, but I do want to get in the trade. So here, let's see. Well, what's going on with my computer? Hold up. I don't know if that's my computer, like if that's Google or... Hakeem, good morning, good morning. And I'm going to try to do this on a different tab, and I'll just show y'all what happened. Oh, I think it might be the website. Maybe. I'm going to try some other websites and see. I might just have to go for one on my, yeah. Yeah, Derive is, the servers are probably getting hammered right now. All right, I'm going to have to look for one on my own. Let's see. I'm going to look for one under $100. I'm going to try to get a couple weeks time because with the move that I'm expecting, it can still... All right, so I like... Here, let me see what it looks like with 2 weeks. Well, next week? Wait, okay, it's still Tuesday, so... All right. Dang, it already ran up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go for a... I want to wait for a pullback now. Let's see. Let's see how it's doing in relevance to its... Oh yeah, it's getting some good volume. Tesla trying to take off. All right, so let's see if we can get like some sort of pullback first. I want to see if we can get a retest of this 250 level. Before I get in, I'll just have to add an alert, or I have an alert on it. Yeah, once again, not rushing any trades. Hopefully Tesla kind of comes back, does a little retest, do a little pullback. Maybe we'll get some sort of a VWAP move. Brian, I I hesitate to go and look at it right now, but here, let's look at it. Just I'm a little upset I got kicked out, but oh yeah, that thing went crazy. So it hit all my next targets. Yeah, I'm a little upset. So I think I got kicked out. Like, here, where'd I get kicked out? It was over here somewhere. So I got kicked out like right in here. It went like a couple cents lower. Then it just ran through all my levels. So hey, that's doing good. Hey, if you're still in that, man, hey, good for you. It's testing the 200, so it may either be loading up or about to fall. All right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback on Tesla. Might be able to find a good entry here. Hey, what's up, Hakeem? Good morning. All right, I'm gonna look at November 22nd as well as November 15th to see. I'm probably looking at November 15th. And I like the, here, I'm gonna actually try to grab it first. Well, actually, I'm not gonna grab it, but I'm Sergeant Boss. Hey, what's good, family? What's good? All right, let me real quick. All right, I'm gonna add that to the watch list for now. I'm watching the 305 call that expires next week on Tesla. I'm probably about to get that. Let's see. Oh, Tesla's already buying up. Oh no, Tesla's moving too fast. Way too fast. Okay. I might have to get a different strike. Whether it be I'm looking to get in on BNOX. I might be down to play that. Let me see how this contract I was looking at is doing. All right, that thing is trying to leave. All right, so it's a little over budget, but since this is going to be more of a swing play. It keeps trying to move. Price keeps running up. All right, I got filled for that call I got filled at 108. So let me share that with the Discord. I can finally start sharing these stream plays with the Discord again, just because I wasn't sharing them because I felt like they were moving a little bit too fast. But this one's going to be a little bit slower. Casey, good morning. Andy, good morning. New to the channel. What's up? Well, Andy, if you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to ask. All right, let's see. So let me share that with the family. Yeah, give me a second. I'm about to share this. You mind? Yeah, we can check out Microsoft. Let me just type this message for the Discord, and then we can get to that. Where is it at? What was it? 11:15. Reason for trade. All right. Now, okay, let's see. Okay. Emmanuel, good morning. Scottles. Hey, Scottles, be sure to bring Skittles by. All right, so real quick, let's here we'll come back to Tesla later, but let's take a look at Microsoft. I normally don't like the way the chart looks, but here, let's zoom out. All right, so some things to know about. Okay, some things I'm seeing right now, just quick initial look on Microsoft. It looks like we potentially have a double bottom situation here. So I would look for the break of this neckline. All right, first we're testing this EMA right here, this 13 EMA, but oh, if we get the break of this neckline, we're at least coming here, and then if we break this, it's probably going to at least test this up here. I think a lot of this is really going to be dependent on how the election turns out. I'm not going to be able to say, oh, if Trump wins, it's going this way, or if, hold on, we had this conversation yesterday. If Kamala wins, it's going this way. I can't really say that. I can say that for certain things. There are certain stocks that are expected to do better, and certain indexes expected to do better with certain people winning. But I'm not as sure about that with Microsoft. But just know that will probably accelerate things. Here, let's see. Brother B, Palantir pushing, Palantir call scalp. Yeah, Palantir would have been a great risk trade, like just a great. That would have been a great lotto, because it came down and pulled all the way back to 41, and they still are doing their thing. They're pushing 50 right now. That's like, so I'm not going to trade it myself, but yeah, anybody wanting to trade Palantir, hey, that's a good move right there. I'm back to trading on higher time frames though. Angie B, good morning, good morning. Love to see that star by your name. Skittles and Scottles always in the house. Glad to see y'all. Glad to see y'all. Yeah. Some nights we just lay low to not enter. Hey, can't even complain. Know you're always there in spirit. All right, so let's see. Yeah, it's like we're starting. Oh, I didn't even do the poll today. Let me get the poll going real quick. All right, let's see. Yeah, send in your votes. All right, so do I use 100 per trade? Normally, Today I went a little bit over budget. I spent 108 just because of what just because of I really wanted that contract. But other than that, yes, usually it'll be 100 or less. Like yesterday, we grabbed a PayPal call for like $28. All right, so let's see. All right, so we were looking at. I kind of did give my analysis on Microsoft a little bit. I gave like a 4-hour analysis. Let's actually finish up, try to do a little bit more. Did have kind of like a trend here. We did break that trend, so I would say there's a good chance we're coming up to test some things. All right, hey, okay? You said what contract? Skittles make any money on SPPL? Unfortunately, I got stopped out 3 cents before they wanted to push it back up. So it's something I'm learning and playing with. So will improve on trading the pennies whenever I play around with it, but nah, I did not. I lost like 10%, but luckily didn't really use it or do anything. It wasn't even really a dollar. All right, Alexander Stokes, what contract did you get on here? Let me see what I have. On Tesla, I got a 305 call expiring on the 15th. This is going to be, both of my trades are swing trades. They're going to, like, I've slowed down. I'm not doing the day trades anymore because that's not what I'm good at. It's like I'm good at it in really specific situations, but I'm not good at it doing it every day. So yeah, I got the 305 call expiring next week, and then the other one, let's see. I grabbed what is it? I grabbed a $25 call. No, an $85 call expiring next week too. That call I got this morning on Tesla is back below 100 though. So I'm down 15% on it, but I'm not worried. So yeah, that call I grabbed is currently going for $92, down from 108. So, and Alex, good morning, good morning. What happened with Jorman? He arrived. For real? He never said anything to you? I feel like he stopped by yesterday. I don't know. Maybe he didn't have internet. I hope so. You said I bought 100 shares of SPPL at 140. Okay, we'll have to check in on that one. Let's see how that's doing right now. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, it's pushing. Okay, hold on. Were we looking on that on a 5 minute? Okay, so yeah, it bounced off that 200. So that's good. That's a good sign. We'll see how it does at this one. Okay, it got slapped at that level. So it might continue the downtrend. We'll see. But yeah, that was a good pickup. Yeah, hopefully something goes down tonight. Jorman seemed excited about that. Grab the call on the Qs. Let's see how the Qs are doing. Oh yeah, the Qs are pushing. So it looks like everything is kind of breaking levels to the upside from what I had. Let me look at my watch list again. So I think resistance on the SPY, it's a little above it right now. Amazon hasn't tested its resistance yet. I had Amazon. Well, actually, if you look at the trend line, yeah, it's tested it at least. And then Palantir kind of broke the resistance I had for it, but it's kind of hard to draw resistance whenever it's like fresh like that. And then where's Apple? Apple's if you look at it like a trend line, it's not really above it's not above its resistance either. All right, let's go back to PayPal. Yeah, PayPal's still trying to push. This is a good sign for the PayPal trade. All right, okay. Ooh, Jorman. Okay, our RLP, the real chosen one, just got a text from Oracle about SPPL. What did they say? All right, Jorman, I'm here, brothers. The beach and the good food have me to. Hey, nothing wrong with living life. Love to hear it. Trying to get used to trading. The trading hours here plus daytime savings is. Oh, dang. Hey, but y'all are out there with each other, so that's cool. That's cool. All right. SFM is a good, safe, long term. I don't even know what SFM is. Let's check that out over here real quick. I mean, I would definitely. This definitely does not look like a trade. The volume isn't anything crazy. But let's see. Sprouts. Okay, that's what it is. My mom used to be like a manager at Sprouts at some point in time when I was growing up. I was like really young, but that's cool. Yeah, I used to love Sprouts. Okay, yeah, Sprouts is cool. I mess with Sprouts. All right, yeah, Apple's pushing, so Apple's probably gonna end up like if it breaks this, it's gonna go test 225, then probably maybe run up to like 227 or something. All right, let's see. Okay, just a signal. 9:30 to 4 a.m. Bro, y'all are wild. I would for sure be swing trading. I remember when I was in Portugal, it's like I would just set my alerts and yeah, I would just set my alerts and that's when I did some of my best trading. Just set the alerts. Maybe I go see a waterfall or go to the beach or something. And yeah, it's like after adventure, it's like, oh, I got an alert that it's time to take profits. I'm like, oh yeah, love to see it. Or usually it'd be like in the morning. SPY pump, everything appears to be pumping at the moment. SPY pumping, not for options, just for long term. Okay, yeah, for sure. But yeah, it looks like a good long term. From what I've seen on the stocks, they text out. They move pretty good intraday sometimes, for days, not often. Find yourself in. Oh, okay. That was for Jaman. I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, so yeah, we're pumping. Let's go to a 15-minute on this chart. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good. Testing this high right here. Actually, I think we just got some data now that I think about it. That's the same for when I recently went to DR. This is DR. I feel uninformed. Yeah, we're pumping today. I think the market's just like the idea of potential change. Jamal sounds nice, nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, we're pumping. Where could it go? Where could it go? Next level looks like it could get knocked down is going to be about this 93 93 kind of area. Looks like the next, or it's 92 up to like 93.50 area. Yeah, the queues are moving. Amazon's not doing that much, surprisingly. Like, I would like to see Amazon break that, but Amazon looks like they're continuing their turn to the downside for now. But I'm liking that these markets are actually they're clear enough to actually chart right now. They're moving enough to chart. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia is pumping too. SPY is really pumping. So we got another double bottom. So honestly, hey, there's this gap on the SPY that needs to be filled up to around like 578. So anybody like trying to like day trade or anything, hey, that's there. No, that's there. We're looking very bullish today. And then like the next real level of like resistance or zone where we could sell off would be anywhere in this 579 up to like 583 for a pullback. Yeah, let's see what else we got here. Yeah, PayPal's still doing this thing. So yeah, we're looking all right. AMD. All right, so I'm still not like really sure about what's going on with their trend. If this is a trend, may have to look at a daily. Yeah, I'm not sure about AMD, but hey, it's up today, so that's good. Bank of America, they kind of on the 4 hour have a little downtrend for, I'll say like this. Oh wait, hold up. It's trying to slide that down. Yeah, so Bank of America, they're either at a decent place to short or they're about to break out. All right, Angie Azure, good morning. Good morning, Angie B. I'm waiting for a pullback on the QQQ and SPY. All right, so let's look for some potential areas. Angie B, are you day trading or are you like what time frame are you looking on? Just so it's like I'm not gonna necessarily play it, but I can like chart and see what I see. So one thing I see on the 1 hour here, let me pull this out. So day trading on the 15, okay. All right, so I mean, first thing I would say here, let's starting on the, typically when I trade on the 15, I'll start on the 1 hour and see what I see. So this is a 1 hour supply zone. So this is an area we could sell off from. We're actually in another one right now as well. This is a larger one. So honest, that's kind of big though. But we are technically in a supply zone. So maybe let's go to a 15 and see how it looks. So this would shrink down to, oh no, that technically wouldn't, no, not on the 15. But yeah, you have one over here on the 15, so this would kind of be the area I watched if I was looking on a 15. But you got to figure out what so there should be a good amount of buyers around this, like this 575 up to like 577 area, or a lot of sellers. And then here, let's Qs. So we've already kind of taken this out. If this doesn't end up being liquidity, looks like the next one is going to be right here on the 15. So around this 492, 493 range. Above VWAP, we rock below, I let it go. Oh, okay, that's a good little rhyme right there. Let's see, let's see how it's going. All right, so yeah, did a nice little bounce right there. Hold up. So it kind of ran up here. Got a little pullback, but it looks like we're putting in a higher low, so that's good. Yeah, that's looking kind of good. And then DJT, that's up too. Yeah, this is a very, very exciting day. All right, let's. Hey, just a thought. Out of curiosity, to those of you that celebrate Christmas and put up your Christmas decorations, when do you do that? Because I'm starting to see Christmas decorations. I'm not mad about it or anything. Personally, just because of the way I grew up, they kind of make me happy. Wait, your thoughts on this philosophy? Don't trade to win, trade to not lose for best success. So I think I think it depends on what phase you're in. Like, if you already have a large, like if you already have a large nest egg or whatever, it's going to be in your best interest to trade to not lose, because it's like, first off, the larger what you're trading with is, the more that it can already kind of build and whatnot. And it's like, if it's large enough, you're kind of already winning, and you just need to maintain. Like, having the ability to maintain a large amount of money is a skill in itself. But when you are smaller, I think there is a level of risk you need to put on. But I think it's also important to, I think you need to go through both phases. Like, even in the beginning when you are smaller, because I think it's important to know how to not lose as well, because it's like, if you don't know how to not lose, your your wins aren't going to really mean much, because you're just coughing them right back up. So it's a little I don't know. it's definitely something I could go on a while about. But it's like I would say I've kind of fall into both, but I would say usually it's going to yield you better if you're trading to not lose, because a lot of time the stagnation is you'll be in a better position if you kind of stagnate and don't and are more selective with your trades than if you're just making a bunch of trades and trying to win and lose. So, all right, December 15th. Oh, it's like me. I'm usually like day after Thanksgiving, and it's just up. But like I see it, a lot of people. I'm driving around. It's like day after Halloween. They say forget Thanksgiving. It's Christmas time. But in Texas, it's still kind of warm outside, so it's a little new to me. Like this time of year last year, I can't remember if I was in Hungary or if I was in Portugal, but wherever I was, it was cold. All right, so a little bit of a pullback on the SPY happening. See if we can get a retest of the trend line, but if it was my sister's birthday in our family tradition, so I keep it. Oh, that's nice. Good morning, family. Good morning, Chase. Seeing the market push, but the election will be the for real, 100%. And then also the speed that things get decided. So we'll kind of see. Like if the election is close, just know it can take like over a week for us to know who president is. But if it's not close and it's like we can see who's gonna win like ahead of time, then yeah, that'll be good. But the more uncertainty there is, the market, like if we still don't know by this time next week, yeah, we'll probably have some kind of good pullback. They're already decorating for Christmas in Vietnam. I'd like to see what that looks like. I thought it was cool seeing it in in Hungary. Yeah, it's very cool seeing what it looked like in Hungary. All right, Mass 3DRC, good morning, everyone. Running late. Hey, you know what they say, better late than never. Moving profits into SCHD for my long-term portfolio. Hey, as long as you have a plan or system, that's what's up. Right now, just because of where I am, my long-term portfolio is more consistent of growth. And the reason for that is like right now, it's like just Road King Rider. Good morning, good morning. Hungry was nice for Christmas last. Dorman, don't tell me we were out there at the same time. Don't tell me you were. Well, I wasn't there on Christmas Day, but I was there for a little bit in December. So don't tell me we were both in Hungary in December. Don't tell me you were in Budapest. If one loses, it will be over quickly. If the other loses, it will go on for weeks or months in appeals. Oh yeah. I'm not sure about that, honestly, Skills. I feel like both sides, if either one, well, if it's a quick loss, like for instance, I feel like if Trump loses, he's going to say it's a scam, they're cheating the votes. But I feel like if it's close and Kamala loses, they're gonna potentially do the same thing. I wouldn't put it past them. So I don't know. I feel like that could happen for both sides. I think it's just going to depend on how close it is. I feel like Trump's going to say that no matter like if it's close or if it's like a landslide. But I feel like if it's close, I feel like the Kamala's administration might do the same thing too. What platform do I use for trading? Trading specifically, I'll use Moomoo and Robinhood. And you said, oh yeah, we were definitely there during the same time. Only thing I have to say is I was under the weather. Like Budapest wasn't the best time for me because what was I gonna say? It wasn't the best time for me just because of the fact that I was like sick. I was under the weather, so there was a lot of things that I wanted to do and things that I did do, but I didn't feel the best doing them, so it wasn't the nicest. Bucket list: spend Christmas in Prague. I'll probably have to add that to my list too, cause yeah, I know y'all know where to. Y'all seem like y'all know where to go. I'm gonna have to see what's up with that. Angie B, VP Harris got this in the bag. Hey, we'll have to see. We'll have to see, Angie B. Hey, all I have to say, whenever the election kind of concludes itself and we get our winner, our whatever, we still need to be, or at least in this chat, it would be nice as if it could be this way as a country, but apparently like some people have too much pride and are too stubborn to work with people. It would be, we still need to come together and like work as a family. All right, finally got me an iPad so I can see what you're doing. Hey, nice, nice. Hey, I'm glad you can see. Right now it's not much of anything, but glad you can see. Z car. You can take a look at Z car. Let's see. Sheesh. That's on the 15-minute. What is there like an actual? Nah, I don't even see anything. It's just a pump of volume. So they went from last minute having, my goodness. All right, it's live again. Okay, it's sound off. It's sound off. This thing is all over the place. Palantir, yeah, it's at 50, 60 now. Dang, there were pullback levels I was hoping to see this at. I'm not sure we'll catch a pullback to that level. Like even if things get bad, I think there was like a $30 level I was watching for on it. Like this down here, 31.40. I was like, yo, if we fill this gap, I am loading the boat. I mean, it probably will get filled at some point, but that might be years down the road. So yeah, I just got this level just chilling. I'm just waiting on that now. All right, so we're pushing back up on things. SoFi. Oh yeah, I forgot about SoFi. Let's see. I'm gonna need SoFi to slow down because I really wanna like load up. Oh, SoFi is another one with a gap. This $9 level right here. So honestly, there's a lot of big gaps. So it wouldn't surprise me if we just get some. Oh, hold on. I'm just got 3 alerts on from the Derive bot in the Discord. So here, let's see. All right, so we got a cross on the 4-hour on IWM. Wait. Okay, so it's to the upside. Let's take a quick look at IWM. Okay. I mean, it's still like, oh wait, that's the weekly chart. All right, so, okay. See if we can get above this. We came back to retest it. So yeah, we'll see if we can break this trend line. We got one on Meta too. Yeah, Meta did kind of pop and go crazy this morning, but it pulled on back. And then, wait, IWM Meta. Oh, it's a bearish one for Meta. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to see what's up with Meta. All right, let's go back to Zcar. Find these interesting to watch. Oh yeah, PayPal doing this thing too. Go on, PayPal. So let's see. I'm actually down $1 from PayPal yesterday. All right, I'm looking at this little Robinhood election thing. So there are, once again, it's a little weird. There are more votes for Kamala. Like there's 120, almost 127 million, whereas Trump is like 10 million behind with, or closer though, 118 million. But price wise, Trump is at 60 cents and Kamala's at 42. What's it like, 922? Let me make sure we don't have any all right, so we got the data, all the data we're supposed to get today. Oh, Zcar still halted. I'm like, why is it not moving? So it like unhalted and it halted again. BJ, oh, okay. All right. Brother B trying to go crazy with all these. But I'm kind of cool with it right now while it's oh, sheesh. What's the bar? Ooh. Hey, let's see. I'm just gonna grab one just to play it for the fun. What is it? BJDX. Hold up. Oh, that's all right. So I grab one share. I'm gonna just hold it and see what happens for now. You said think you have to grab 100. They let me grab one. I'm just in it for the fun, man. I mean, it would be cool. But yeah, I'm just in it for the fun. That way, even if I don't set my stop loss. Here, let's see a little trend going right here. We'll see how this holds up. Brian, I don't know. It sounds like you're trying to pump a little bit. He said, I think you gotta grab 100. No, yeah, they let me grab one single share that I happen to be up 4% on, which isn't even a cent. But hey, we'll see if it actually goes. Hey, the SPY is pumping. Hey, it's pushing. So first level, the first like area where it looks like it can really be batted down is like up here, but it's still just moving. Let's see what it looks like on the 2. Yeah, it's riding right now. The SPY is riding the 2-minute EMA, or 2-minute 13 EMA. It's really moving like that. Let's see how the Qs are looking. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, same story for the Qs as well. Amazon is not moving. DJT's moving up today too. Intel's up today too. Let's look at IWM. Yeah, a whole lot is, oh well, maybe not. But the indexes are riding like they're 2-minute. Down on the VIX. Well, actually, in the past 2 minutes it's trying to come up. PCE, like gap down on. Let's bring it back to the SPY. What EMA values do you use? I'm currently using the 9, 21, and 200. So I use the 13, 48, and 200. So yeah, we both have the 200. The purple line is going to be the 200 for me. The yellow, orange kind of line is going to be the 48, and the blue line is going to be the 13. All right, so got a little pullback coming on Palantir. We got BJDX going up, doing some things. Not too bad. I should be up. Oh yeah, I'm up almost 2 cents. Hey, I'll take it. Let's go BJDX. Hey, no problem, Andy. Let's see. Let's see if I can. Yeah, Palantir doing a little pullback. Let's see. Let's see what they're pulling back to. All right, so they've crossed below their 13 on the 2 minute. Let's go to a 5. Let's see how they're doing on their 5 minute today. BJDX, I'm almost up 3 cents on. Hey, it's moving. It's looking good. Oh yeah, it's pushing. Yeah, Brian called out, Brother B called it nice and early today. It's like 16%. You said, what about NVIDIA? How's it doing? So NVIDIA looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Here, let's go. Let's see what it looks like on the 2. All right, so it's below its 13 on a 2. Going back to the 5. We'll see kind of how it holds up at this 13 EMA. You said, when am I selling BJDX? Now remember, I got 1 share, but right here on this left screen, you can see the volume is still increasing, so that's a good sign. And then also, like, this trend line is it's still in play right now. Like, even if it came back down this candle, it looks like it's still all right. But yeah, while we still have volume, especially if it's increasing, or even if it wants to level out to what level this is. Like, even if it wants to level out, the volume looks like it's good. All right, let's see. What are we? You got shares at 1828. Here, let me draw like a little line just so I know where you got it at, so I can talk at things from your point of reference. All right, so it's a little. If we're above that line, we're happy. All right. When you're green on those runners, move 100%. Yeah, move up the stop loss. But I will say I want to see I want to move up a certain percent before I move up the stop loss. All right. You think it'll get to 140? Oh, you're talking about Nvidia. So do I think it'll get to 142? Yes. Do I think it'll happen today? Not right now. I don't see that happening today. It's like I can see it going to 140, but yeah, not today on the 142 unless we get some kind of news catalyst. Yeah, they do sell off fast. Yeah, I'm up 3 cents, 20%. Shoot. Okay, so I got in. Where did I get in? I got in like over here. I can probably move my stop up to like 15. Oh yeah, they're pushing it up. I want to see like another area of like kind of consolidation. Like, oh yeah, push that thing up. Let's go. It's up 30%. So here, let me come back. Let's see. So if you catch some early, you can go heavy. Yeah, it's like your risk changes dramatically based off of how early you find them. Big time. All right, let's see. Let's go back to 2. Oh, hold up. I'm going to add to him when he says go heavy. I'm going to say he means with caution. Nothing that's going to like hurt you or anything. Just larger than you would say it had it already moved. Like make a sizable like one that's an amount that doesn't hurt you. Let's say that. All right, so yeah, it's moving up. I'll probably move my stop to. I'll probably move it to. I'm gonna move it to 15.5 for now. Let's see. Yeah, so I'll move mine up. Oh wait, hold up. All right, so Skittle, do you concern yourself with taxes? I'd rather pay high taxes and pocket something than pay no taxes and pocket nothing. So no, I don't, because I have that same mindset. It's like a lot of people trip about like, oh, aren't I going to have to pay taxes? But it's like if you made a profit, they're taxing the profit. So it's like if you make $100 and they take 30, you still made money. Whereas, oh, I'm not going to trade because they're going to tax it. It's like, yo, you could have no money, or you could have that $70, even though it would have been 100. It's like, yo, if you're gonna make money, it's just part of the game. Just accept the fact that even if you don't make money, they're still gonna come through and take money from you. So may as well make money. So yeah, don't be afraid to trade just because, oh, they're gonna take profits. It's like you go work a job, they're gonna pull taxes on you too. Yeah, but hey, you gotta love dividends, low tax on those. I need to grow my portfolios more to love dividends, but yeah. See, like right now, like I'm all in on like things that I think are going to grow. I'm in on the growth plays that I think will turn into dividend plays. Like if you look at stuff like Meta and stuff like Nvidia, notice they started giving dividends, and stuff like Apple, and I think Tesla has some time till it'll start giving dividends, but I think Tesla will be a dividend player one day. I think Palantir could potentially be one day, like years down the road. But it's like usually once these growth companies kind of like plateau and they're more consistent with their revenue, they start, like once they don't see as much growth coming, they start paying their revenues out as dividends. So yeah, we're still pushing up on the SPY and probably the Qs. Let's see how we're doing on the Qs. Qs is not moving quite like the SPY. The SPY has a little bit more. It's a little bit steeper if you look at the chart. So this is the SPY chart. It's the Qs chart. But one thing I will say I see on the Qs is it looks like they possibly have like this flag, like a bull flag pattern. So let's see. So yeah, I see this on the Qs, whereas the SPY is just like continuing up. So we'll have to see how that plays out. So maybe we get like some kind of like big break on the Qs. Let's see. Let's get those few more years and I go from growth to dividend. Honestly, yeah, that's how I would be. Elisa, Lindsay, I have about 20 shares of SMCI. About at 40. You think I should sell? Honest opinion, please. So I had some, I would say at the equivalent of, I guess it was the equivalent of 80. And I rode them down to about, actually I didn't have share, actually it would have been shares. It would have been the equivalent of, about 3 shares or whatever. But yeah, I rode them from like 80 down to like maybe like 34. For me, when it comes to SMCI, I am not liking it. So I saw this here. Let me actually share some information I saw. It was a tweet from the traveling, or an X from the traveling trader I saw this morning. Let's see. Because I think it was really insightful. All right. So what it says is, yeah, Skittles, that they may get delisted. So it says SMCI is down 75%, reporting earnings tonight. They have 2 weeks to file their annual 10K or they'll get delisted from NASDAQ. A lot of investors don't know this. They don't know this wouldn't be the first time that Supermicro gets delisted. So they got delisted before in 2019. It was delisted in 2019 for failing to file a timely 10K. And then they rejoined again in 2020. All right, so I wasn't loving, like when I first heard about them like not filing their 10K and whatnot. To me, I was getting kind of vibes of like Enron. I wasn't around for Enron, but I heard about Enron, and I'm like, yo, I'm just cutting it out. I don't need to have my money in this, so I personally cut out. But it's like depending on where you get in, there's a lot of potential for it, but it's just not anything I would want to worry about right now. Rather be on penny stocks. I'll gamble when I see a runner, so I'll say buy $100 worth and risk 20. I mean, that's fair. First till it goes green, then I'll move them. Yeah, yeah. It's like if $100, it shouldn't be an amount that's going to hurt you. That's fine. And then like $20 out of that 100, that sounds fine to me. I get about 9K a year on dividends, but I wish I could contribute. Hey, you get 9K a year right now, but I'm sure those things are growing, so it'll be good. It'll be good. Jorman, not working right now, so I'm eating those up. They go along with, hey, glad to hear it, glad to hear it. Hey, Jorman, and even if you're not working, hey, you definitely could still be making money online. Like there are plenty of ways you can make money, and especially traveling. Like I don't know, but all right, Skittles. I lost everything on WAM 2018. Bought it all the way down, and government let it. Oh, that's always rough. There's something about those companies that are too big to fail, though. Y'all. Oh, I don't think I should tell y'all this. So I'm gonna just actually I can't even say anything. I think I may have been exposed to some insider information yesterday on a company. I'm not going to share it with y'all, just so that y'all can still potentially trade that if y'all want. But yeah, I got exposed to some potentially insider information just like in casual conversation last night. And it's one of those companies that I would say is like too big to fail. And like it sounds like there is more negativity coming in the pipeline. But all right, Washington Mutual Bank lost 40K in Rivian. Oh no. I just hate lowering 700. Tell us backwards in code. Hey, I have nothing to say. All I said was too big to fail. And then have bad things coming for them again. That's all I can say. I don't want to, like, if it's something y'all trade, I don't want to hurt y'all. You say vote Trump. Hey, I have already made my votes. Hey, y'all vote for whoever y'all think is going to make a change. But I'm gonna say, yo, please vote. And then also, don't get mad with whatever the result is. Yo, have some faith. It's like I'll be real. There have been people in the past, and I thought things would. Oh, it's like I would say I used to be like kind of a bot, and I would just listen to everything I heard on TV because it's like a lot of the vote for Pedro. Yes, that is who we need to vote for. Honestly, go vote for Pedro. But what was I saying? It's like growing up, I would say I was kind of a bot, and I would kind of like I had no idea how much they truly program us through the TV. They will push like a certain narrative and whatnot. And oh, can we chart Neo? Yeah, let's go on. All right, so BJDX still over here doing his thing. We'll come back to the spot. Let's look at Neo. Okay, let's start on the 4. What is going on with Neo? Yeah, let's go up to a monthly. Dang, Neo has been on a journey. All right, let's go down to a weekly. Daily. And we got a potential double bottom over here. Potential. Let's go to a 4-hour. Let's see. Let's see. 1 hour. So we're cross above on the 1 hour. We do have a gap. This gap does need to be filled. So we're probably going to need to come back from this level at some point. But when? We'll see. I don't know. But they're kind of like just channeling down right now. I don't even know how to chart this, if I'm being real. Yeah, no idea. All I see right here is there's this 200 EMA and it's holding for now. I can't really say much. Yeah, I have nothing to really say about that. All right, so Apple pulling back, Tesla kind of still continuing up, Meta still continuing up, Google, Palantir still kind of coming back up. All right, Nvidia is making its move. So who asked about it at that 140? Oh, okay. Is your name Sai? That's kind of a cool name, honestly. Sai Thao. All right, Sai, if you're still here, hey, Nvidia is in motion. It's kind of popping, but I'm still watching that 140 level. Now, let's see. Skittle said, accept the winner and hope for the best. No poor losers. Stay united. No BS to drama. Honestly, that would be the dreams, right? The dream right there. Unfortunately, some people will have their butts hurt, but it is what it is. All right, so let's see. Skittles, Napoleon Dynamite. The 4-hour on Neo, is that ahead? Oh yeah, let's go back to Neo and look at the 4-hour. Yeah, real quick. Which direction? You mean inverted? Wait, so that looks like a shoulder. Oh no, or maybe it is. Yeah, that could be a shoulder, a head. Yeah, there's potential for that. I mean, I would be looking for it to go to the downside. There's not like a crazy amount of meat on the bone for the downside, but that would be what you were looking for there. I mean, I guess from there, if you break that shoulder line, the next level would be 447 or probably this 428 level. All right, Skittles, if you're still in those, you're probably down on them. And Psy, I have until the 8th. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to Nvidia. Nvidia is making progress. Like, it's definitely possible. Yeah, it really depends on what we're doing today, but it's looking like, here, let's go back to the Qs. I know I said they kind of had that formation. Let's see if they broke out of that. Yeah, so yeah, they broke out of that formation. Let's see. Let's go back to watching this. So Skittles up 0.03. Yeah, it's so exciting, right? So exciting. Yeah, so Q's probably going up to at least come test this 491.60. Skittles, this is using your buy level, your buy area as support right now. PayPal up on my call from yesterday. Oh, let's see. Let's check PayPal. It's like I'm not expecting it to necessarily go. Oh yeah, I'm up on mine too. Up just 7%, but hey, we got time. We got time on that. I might have to see if Derive is actually working now. Look like they were very busy this morning because it wasn't even like working. All right, so PayPal up on my call from yesterday. SPPL thoughts. Let's take a look at it real quick. Oh, hold up. Let's go back up to a 5. So I would say below this 200, it's looking like a no-go to me. Because it's already in a downtrend. So it bounced off this and came up. It looks like it's probably about to fail this and go. It's like you could get a double bottom here, but I would think this is kind of about to go down and do its thing. I don't know. I think I might end up getting stopped out if it ends up pulling back to, I think mine is like 15.5 on this on BJDX, but we'll see. How do you determine when you get out of your call if it's to the upside? So here, let's look at PayPal real quick. So it's like I have kind of like a projection on where I expect it to go. And really just depends, like if I'm up on it like an amount that I am happy with, then I'll cut out. Like if I think, hey, it's probably about to cut, or if it's like it's really just depends. Like it's like I would look for this move to be had, like this whole move, this $86 move. But if I think it's going to start losing value to time, if I don't think it's going to hit that level in time, then I'll kind of just cut out. Or if one morning it opens up and it's just up a good amount, then I'll cut out then too. Do I sell at 142 or should I hold? So honestly, it's going to depend on whatever you think whatever you expect it to happen with NVIDIA. It's like, so when I get in a trade, usually like say I got in right here, my stop loss might be somewhere like a little bit past this, and I would have been targeting this level right here. So usually whenever it hits your target, that's when you want to get out. Or if you're up on your position, you can always just, like the next morning that you're up on your position, if you're up enough, take profits and run, because each day you're in a contract, it kind of loses value to time. Especially if it expires this Friday. You could be up on the position and then wake up the next day and the stock could be higher, but you could be down lower on the contract. Hey, no problem, Si. You said how much would profit be? Here, let me link a video for you, because oh, hold up. Let's see. What's that video called? Let's see. Is this the video? Hold on 1 second. Oh, that's a older one. Okay, so here it is. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna drop that in there. I'm gonna say check that outside. That should help you see a little bit. That also is going to show you how to like practice as well. But it'll in that video it's kind of short, and you should be able to see at least how to what am I looking for? How to see if you're up or not. Okay, so SPY is pulling back. So yeah, it's starting to pull back on the SPY. Let's see how the Qs are doing. What are we watching? What was it? BJDX. Okay, I should still be in my trade. Saved it to watch. Okay. Hey Matthew, tell us what you hear and I'll tell you guys what's better than dividend. Wait. Tell us what you hear and I'll tell you guys what's better than dividends. What do you mean by what I hear? And what's better than dividends? Dividends at this point in my life personally don't appeal too much to me. Like right now, once again, I'm looking for growth. I'm looking kind of at that idea that, if you look at a lot of, about the company too big to fail. Thing is, I don't know when it's going to happen. But, yeah, I don't know when it would happen, but it's like it's I don't know. It's a company that legit has things falling out of the sky though. But I don't know. It's yeah. I don't think I can get any more clear than that. But what was I gonna say? I'm not an insider and I'm not going to trade on it though. So I'm going to just leave that alone. Any thoughts on Tilray and U.S. policies on... I do not have any thoughts on Tilray or any of the policies like involving the MJ. Honestly, I don't really follow that stuff that closely. It's like I tried to like hop on the wave and like trade it, but I don't. Oh, I don't know. Here, let's take a look at XO. Let's see. What time frame is the resistance on? Oh, hold on. That is not what I'm sure I can find it. Yeah? Yeah, I see it on the 4 hour. Jorman, you are welcome, guys. Oh, you see it on the 1 hour too. Let's see. I mean, it's probably on both. Yeah. Resistance is resistance. It's just nicer the bigger the time frame you can see it on. All right, so BJDX. I may end up getting stopped out. I think I have mine at like... My stop is right here at this 15 kind of 50 level. So we'll see if I get stopped out. but I should still be in profit if I get stopped out there. So it's cool. But we are currently below Skittles' level. Yeah, so Exxon's at resistance is currently in an uptrend now. So that's kind of good. And let me check something out. Oh, Skittles, I also just want to let you know I checked out your smart money, bro. He's chill. Like him. It's cool. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, we're pulling back on that. I'm probably about to get stopped out. All right, I like him more for the basic financial advice. I mean, yeah, that's kind of what he does. But yeah, it's like he's chill. I subbed. All right, let's see. All right, this line kills me. Just think if you would have put $1,000 in, blah blah blah, then you'd be able. What line are you talking about? Oh, you said I'm out on BJ. Oh, are you talking about like a? Are you talking about the Exxon, or are you talking about what was I gonna say? Are you talking about BJDX? Man, I'm about to get taxed on these games from BJDX because they're about to stop me out. Let's see. Hey, Tesla's nice and slow today, but I think this one should pop from what it's looking like. All right, what was I gonna say? In general, YouTubers say like in Bitcoin or Nvidia. Oh, okay, I got what you're saying. When you say this line, okay, I know what you mean by this line. I thought you were talking about a line in the charts. No, honestly, that kind of makes me like you don't hear me saying that because it's like a lot of times. Like I remember there was even a course I took, not a course, but like a mentorship. They said that exact thing. Just think if you would have put this in, No, yeah, yeah, it's like, yeah, that would have been nice, but honestly, what are the odds you're actually gonna hold that? Usually, if you're gonna sit there and hold that, usually you don't need that money, so you probably already have a sizable amount of money. If you can just like drop 1,000 here, 1,000 there, all this stuff, it's like, no, yeah, honestly, I don't really love when people say that either. It's like, yeah, people say that all the time. I try not to do that because that usually kind of sends off my. I see a lot of people doing that, but that usually kind of sets off my kind of BS meter. But a lot of people do that. But I do that like with, like I don't say, oh, if you put $1,000 in, but I'll do like if you would have held longer or something like that. Cause there's always that shoulda, coulda, woulda. But you know, what's the actual reality looking like? Nah, yeah, I 100% feel you there, man. All right, so let's see. I mean, I would say we're pretty range bound now. It's like we got a nice little push up. Bitcoin's kind of up. Yeah, we got like a good little pop on the day, but hold on, I got an alert for something. Oh, okay. Yeah, got a nice little pop for the day, but wait, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I think I'm just talking. All right, so the volume on BJDX has kind of like subsided a little bit. I have to see how that ends up doing, but SPPL just dumped. Hey, shout out. Hey, whoa, what's going on my balcony? Hold up. Oh, I guess it's just windy outside. Whoa, how'd that even happen? Yo, we got like some serious wind going on up here in Texas, yo. Like right now. It doesn't even look that windy, but somehow it's like, the little carpet rug thing on my balcony. Yo, it looks like Aladdin is flying it right now. All right. Yeah, honestly, Skittles. It's like a ghost is out there playing with it or something, moving my rocking chairs and stuff. I got my rocking chairs on top of it, but okay. That aside, Robert. Hey, what's up, Robert? How's it going? How's it going? You said, what's the play for today? So right now, so I'm currently in 2 swing trades, and I am currently in like what is it? I'm in this. I'm playing with this penny stock. I don't really have any like money or anything in this penny stock, but right now I am currently in. Let's see. So I am in a 305 call that expires on November 15th for Tesla. I paid 108, but it's at 93 right now. That one looks like it has good potential because on Tesla we broke this trend line. So yeah, this is going to be a little swing. And then on PayPal, I'm in a, where'd it go? I'm in an $85 call that I paid $28 for. It expires November 15th as well. And that's going to be a swing as well. Has it been raining in Dallas the last couple of days? Yes, it has. It's sunny right now, but yeah, it has been raining. And like this morning when I woke up, the ground was all wet and stuff. But yeah, it definitely had rain. Nah, and it's crazy. I had to like drive in the rain. Yesterday it was like thunderstorming. It's kind of bad, but it's all good. Nehemiah, yes, nothing but rain. Yeah. Nehemiah, where you at? What part of, if you're in Dallas, what part are you in? Have I been watching ICCM? We can take a look at it. No, I have not. There's not much volume on ICCM. It's kind of all over the place. It's like it has like pop. Like if you got in from like 50, it has pop, but nothing much going on here. What it seems like. Nehemiah, you said Wiley area. Did you grow up out there? And Brian says same in H-Town. Yeah, Nehemiah, let me find out you went to Wiley. No, you said no BE. Okay. Yeah, because I was like, yo, I went to, like, Wiley is where I went to school. Oh, Randy's in Mesquite. Okay. Hey, what's up, Randy? I was in Mesquite on Sunday. And I was in Wiley like a couple times within the past like 2 weeks. Okay, you're from New Orleans. Okay. Growing up, I was like when I was in third grade going to school in Wiley. Like from that point on, it was almost like everyone knew came from New Orleans because of Hurricane Katrina. So yeah, we got a lot of people from New Orleans and Louisiana and stuff out in Wiley. But that's what's up. That's cool. So we got Mesquite, we got Wiley. That's cool. Oh no, yeah, a whole lot, yeah. Hey, I remember when I was in third grade. I'm not even gonna lie. Like after people kind of moved here from the Hurricane Katrina, I had this one friend. I'm not gonna say his name, but you know how some people can be kind of shy, quiet, especially when they're like in a new area and they don't know anybody, they don't know who to talk to. I had like I don't know. I was very, as you would expect for children, I was very naive. I didn't know everything. And honestly, I feel like my perspective was kind of like shaped by a cartoon. I think the cartoon was like called Kids Next Door or whatever. But all right, so I had this one kid. He had dreads, right? And it was like me and my friend. We're like, oh, should we talk to him? We're like, you think he knows English or whatever? We're like, I don't know. He's oh, we thought he was Jamaican, pretty much. Like once again, just for reference, I was like 8 at the time, very naive, didn't know. But yeah, we thought he was Jamaican. And like, I don't know, watching this show or whatever, the Jamaicans or whatever, they just said Mon after everything. So I went up to him. I was like, "What's your name, Mon?" And like I'm just like casually talking to him, saying Mon after everything, making him me thinking like, "Oh yeah, I'm speaking this language," and like I don't know, we ended up becoming friends and everything. And like flash forward to dang, yo, it straight up looks like there is a ghost on my balcony, or it looks like there is just someone that just I don't know. It looks wild watching this stuff, but back to the story. Yo, flash forward, this dude's playing on my football team in like high school. I tell him like flashback, I remember to when I met him, and he's like, "Yeah, I thought you were so dumb." And I was like, "Hey, yeah, I don't even blame you, man." But kids do the darndest things. All right, so yeah, we're still just sitting here chilling. We're waiting to do some things. All right, so can't tell if we're in a downtrend or an uptrend on the on BJDX. It still looks like we're moving up. Skittles said, I used to fly from Canada into Dallas to buy antique furniture and then drive it back to Canada in a U-Haul or hearse truck. Dallas is nice. Hey, it's Dallas is all right. It's all right. All right. What position did you play for football? So I played receiver, but then I moved to being a corner. So it's like my school. I'm gonna say I wasn't like the coldest or anything. I probably would have done better if I just stayed at receiver, but nah, I wasn't aggressive. Like I wasn't that aggressive when we played football. So yeah, I played corner, and my game was always like, yo, let me push him out of bounds, or yo, I'm going for the legs, cause I wasn't like crazy big or anything. So I must be fast. I was all right. Like when it came to track, um, when it came to track, I didn't run like the 100, 200, but like I ran the 400, and my fastest time was what was I gonna say? My fastest time was like upper 48s, lower 49 in the 400. It's like right now I don't come close to that, but I feel like I kind of want to. I've been running longer distances lately, but I want to get back to that because I was looking at like the times for the Olympic trials, and I'm like, yo, if I like cut a little bit off the time I was running in high school, I was like, yo, I could at least make the Olympic trials. But I haven't really touched the track. I've touched the track like twice since I've had that thought. It was like during the Olympics this year, and then yeah, I haven't touched the track. I've just been running long distance. Oh no, I'm not. Nah, I'm not. Nah, Skittles, you're wild. And I had some people on my team, or I had one person on my team. Like he was on the Cowboys like practice squad for a little bit, but now he's playing in the XFL. And then I had like a few people on my team actually go to the NFL. One dude like bro, he was on the Giants, and like no, he didn't like get drafted, but well, he got drafted as like a free agent or whatever. And I don't know. He like injured his leg. They were expecting big things for him. I think he like broke his ankle or something like that, and then yo, career over. So what was it? Wait, Nehemiah said you made a team. Enough said. At my school, it was like everyone kind of made like the football team. As long as you put in the work, you made the team. But honestly, it was still kind of like a select cut. But honestly, I didn't like play much, if I'm being real, when it came to football. It's like whenever we were up a lot, it's like, hey, let's throw them in. That's kind of when I went in for football. Dang, anything under 50 in high school is, yeah. I would say I was like I was all right in high school. So I ran like summer track. In summer track, I was considered in the 400. I was all right, but I wasn't the fastest. But when I was running like track for like high school, yo, I was kind of eating for the most part. Yeah, like I was doing well in high school. Yeah, Texas, definitely. Yeah, because I had like a roommate in college. I want to say it was like up north. It might be New Jersey, New York, something like that. He ran the 400 too in high school, and he told me his times. I'm like, oh my goodness, I would dominate in that state. But hey, it is what it is. Jonathan said kids' dads pretty much brought them onto the high school team here. Oh, but well, that it didn't work like that at my school, but yeah, there are a lot of schools like that. I would say my school was like very diverse. It's like a lot of the teams we played, there would be a lot of like all white teams, there would be all black teams, there would be honestly it would be more something like that, but we had like a good mix of everything, like a good mix of like not I'm not racist or anything or whatever, but good mix of white boys, black kids, Mexicans, Asians. Like we had some Indians. Like it's like we had everything on our team, and it's like everyone else. Like usually, like if a team had a secret weapon, it would be like it'd be like one black kid, or it'd be like it would be one like kid that stuck out from the team or whatever. So I don't know. But yeah, high school, very interesting time. Brother B. All right, Amazon. I'm looking at Amazon and this little chart. Amazon looks like they may have broken out. So, ever see movie McFarlane USA? Nah, but what's it about? Or McFarlane USA. Yeah, what's it about, Skittles? I might have to add it to my wish or my list. All right, so here let's look at Amazon real quick. So yeah, we got kind of uptrend here on Amazon. It might be back on its way up to that level. Let's see if Derive will work now. All Mexican track team underdogs. I could add it to my watch list. Yeah, let's see. Wait, let me go to my notes. Type that in. What is it? Oh wait, hold up. Okay. All right, so all right, real quick. Okay, so grabbing B-Nox here with tight stop loss, inspirational. All right, real quick, I'm gonna see if Derive is working right now. Yo, it's still not. Let me see if that works on a different. Let me see if it works on a different browser for me, because it's not working on my Google Chrome right now. Yeah, I don't know. It's I guess it's not working right now. Yeah, I have no. Yeah. Okay, so all right. So if I were watching for this, I could see it going further, but just kind of like looking. What kind of move? I mean, that's not a crazy move. I wouldn't. I'm not gonna go for that. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Actually, let me look at it one more time. Oh, wait. I already have that up over here. No, so Robinhood Legend, it's like I keep getting notifications like, oh, it'll be ready soon. Let me see if it'll pop up online for me. Let me see. Oh, it says okay. Now on the website it says our powerful new training platform is here at no extra cost. Try Robinhood Legend. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me slide that over. So I might like wait. I might make a video over me trying it for the first time, first impressions and everything. But it's nice to see that it's there now. Palantir hits. Okay, dang. Palantir doing this thing. I definitely like have FOMO right now. Hey, glad to hear it. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off on looking at it right now just so I can get like a video of my first impressions and everything. And we can like see my face. Give y'all some real reactions. I don't even have my camera on right now. I think I'm gonna eventually like have my face going for these streams. Maybe have myself in this little corner right here, but yeah, just haven't done that yet. All right, so here let's see. How you liking Robinhood Legends so far, Nehemiah? All right, DJT. Is trading your primary source of income? No, it's not. It's about to start being a good source of income again though. You said primary. Honestly, when it comes to primary, oh, it's like it shifts around. YouTube, like not directly ad revenue, but YouTube can be a good amount. Like if you put YouTube as a whole, like from all the connections and everything from it, like I'll have some affiliates, I'll have like oh, everything comes from YouTube because it's like I have like some stuff from Amazon. I have like affiliates. I get coaching from it. I just kind of consider YouTube to be it. Nehemiah said, "I just browsed. I'm waiting on your impression to dig more into Robinhood Legend." So I'll probably do like a first impressions, and then I'll probably I guess in that first impression I'll do like kind of a setting it up to my liking. But Honestly, yeah, I'll probably just let the video go, or I'll let the camera go, and I'll just like legit just give live impressions. And I'll probably just have to like edit the video down and make sure it's not like anything that takes forever. Like just cut it down to a more digestible bit. Honestly, I don't even know what to expect. I had said I was going to watch that presentation for it. I never did. So it'll be some time. All right, so we got Euro close right now. Let's see if we get any volume over the next like 10 minutes or so. Nothing interesting happens. We'll probably call it a day. Wrap up for there, or wrap up for the day. I still gotta like do my exercise and stuff for the day. I didn't get it in this morning. I was getting some good sleep. Let me see what the weather's looking like outside. Aside from windy. Let's see. You said how many miles? Oh, you said today, like you're asking how many miles. So I live first today, but I'm actually, I signed up for a half marathon. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like never, I ran a 5K, and then now it's like, oh, I'm running a half marathon. It's crazy. But like, yeah, I signed up for a half marathon. It's like mid-December. So now I'm doing like this little training plan, and I'm actually not looking forward to today's workout, because it's like I got, oh, it's like different intervals, a speed run. So it's like a 6 minute kind of just cruise, like warm up. Then it's like 5 minutes at a 10K pace, which for me, that's going to be at least an 8 minute mile or faster. And then 2.5 minutes at a 5K pace, which is for me at least, it's like 7 minutes or faster. Then it says 1 mile pace. And then for me, 1 mile is like 6 minutes or faster. And then it says best pace. I don't know what my best pace would be if I'm like doing these, like this is all with no break. It's like speeding up and slowing down. And then it like comes back down. And then there's going to be like a virtual coach in my ear. It's like I get really competitive. So I'm honestly not looking forward to doing that. So honestly, if I had to guess, let's say it'll probably be at least four miles, and probably be over 4 miles. I don't know. You said let's go, way to raise the bar and go get it. See you on the. Oh, I've never watched any like long distance running on ESPN, but yeah, I'm just trying to. I don't even know what I'm trying to do, honestly. I just like I like a lot of the people that I'm around whenever I go to this stuff. All right, so we are seeing some volume. We are seeing some volume come in. Here, let's go down to a 5. Or actually, I'm not. Okay. So we're like 5 minutes into Euro close. So here, let's look at this SPY. Pushing up on the SPY. I'm not seeing volume, but we're pushing up in price. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is up there. It kind of hit that high. So let's see what happens here with NVIDIA. So Sai, if you're still here, it's possible it could happen today, but it's also possible that this is a level of resistance and we sell off here. So this would be a level to consider taking profits if you're up. But if I were in NVIDIA and I were if I had the intention of riding it that high. Let's see. I would say as long as it's still above the 13 on the 5 minute, or yeah, I'd probably go 5 minute today. I would be cool with continuing to ride it. But yeah, let me clear that out. And then Tesla is once again, let's see if they take out their high for the day. Let's see if they end up doing some things. Yeah, we're pushing up right here a little bit. Let's go back to a 4 hour on Tesla. Oh yeah, this is if this candle closes anywhere around here, yo, Tesla definitely, that's just confirmation. Here, I can actually clear out that line because that was what I was looking at as resistance. Of course, said I put $300 on Trump. Sigh, thanks. Hey, you're welcome. Hey, I personally didn't put any money on anybody. It's like, who do I think is going to win? I think Trump is going to win, but we'll see what happens. I think like if it were the other way around in the polls and there was like some kind of what was I going to say? If it were the other way around in the polls, I don't even know what I was about to say. I don't even know. But I think there's, like, when it comes for the possibility of an upset of the polls, I would say if things were the other way around and the Democrats were, not Democrats, but Kamala. I know how one got yesterday. If Kamala were leading the polls, I don't think it would be as possible as I think it is for Kamala to win. Like, I still think it's very well possible that Kamala could win, but I think Trump is going to win. But I think if Kamala were ahead in the polls, I don't think there would be as much of a way that Trump could. So we will see. Hopefully it's a quick wedding for the sake of not a wedding. Hopefully it's a quick, like, it's not as close so we can find out quicker. And, the stock market doesn't end up taking a dump, but, we'll kind of see how things play out. Hold on, let's see. All right, so here, let's take a look at this. So hold up. Before we get off, Tesla is above 523. What just happened? Oh, here we are. All right, so what's going on? All right, so this is like a little map to win thing. So it's going to take, wait, what is going on? All right, so it'll take 270 electoral votes to win the 2024 election. Click on states on this. Oh, so here, I'll share this with y'all in the comments to any of y'all that want to play, or in the chat to any of y'all that want to play with this. But yeah, this is kind of, I guess there is kind of this battleground right here. So this is how things are looking. And this is what's up for grabs, are these states right here. They're the battleground. It's the toss-up. All right, so this is how things are right now. Things are favoring the Republicans. The Republicans need an extra 40. And, it kind of comes when you got to win these states. So it's like, say you win like I don't know, Georgia, North Carolina, and Nevada. Hey, then this is clear for the Republicans. But for Democrats, they need like an extra, what's it, 44 points? They might need a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna just share that in the chat for anyone who is interested. Want to do that, but I'm going to just, yeah. Did you hear about the Trump 2025 project conspiracy theory? I mean, sure. Hey, share it up. It's like I'm here for the conspiracy theories, just because it's like if you look back at a lot of conspiracy theories, I'm gonna just say they're conspiracy theories till they're proven true. So let's hear what it is. I might look into it on my free time. Just go down a rabbit hole. I'm interested. What's up, Khalil? Pennsylvania will determine the winner. How much was Pennsylvania worth? Let me check one more time. So Pennsylvania is worth 19. Let's see. All right, so we'll have to see who wins Pennsylvania and see if it does determine the winner. All right, do you think we should go cash and just protect our capital if things turn out for Trump? Then that would be a smart thing to do. It kind of depends on how your positions are, though. It's like you could potentially set stop losses. I would say it depends on if you're in shares or if you're in stock. It's like, honestly, I'm going to hold everything I'm holding, but yeah, depending on how much you have on the line and whatnot, that's definitely something you would want to check out. Oh, we're up on those Tesla calls now. That's cool. Up on the PayPal. Yeah, so we're, for now, coming to life. All right. 2025 project. Hello, not a rabbit hole. Don't go down unless you like North Korea lifestyle. I would love to hear what y'all like what is the premise? Are they trying to say what they think Trump's going to be like some sort of dictator or something? Is that kind of along the lines of what it would be, the 2025 project or whatever? I feel like anybody saying anything like that is just trying to project fear. All right, let me do like a quick. I'm gonna chat GPT. It's just because I don't feel like, okay. What's summarize? What is it called? It's called, where is it? Trump 25 project. The Trump 2025 projects to me. All right, let's see. Okay, so at first, well, it says it only searched one site, but it says it's a detailed conservative policy blueprint by the Heritage Foundation and other right-leaning groups aiming to guide potential Republican administration, especially if Donald Trump returns to office. It proposes sweeping changes across various sectors, restructuring federal agencies, tightening immigration controls, and significantly reducing government programs like Medicaid and SNAP. The plan also includes tax code simplifications favoring high-income earners and emphasizes conservative social policies such as restricting LGBTQ plus and abortion rights. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna be real. Like, none of that says North Korea to me. It's like, so I'm gonna say the things that sound potentially the most harmful to me would be like reducing government programs like Medicaid and SNAP. But in my opinion, wait, that's just the beginning. It goes very deep. All right, I don't have. I guess I don't have the time for the deepness right now. Okay, well, if those aren't the concerns, then I guess I'll see it at some point. Like, we'll see. We'll see who wins, and we'll see how the previous 4 years are, or like the following 4 years are. You said it's no need. They're all lies. Yeah, they kind of do push a lot of lies. If I wanted to join the Patreon, I'm a beginner, but the only spot open is, oh, the other spots aren't. Okay, so those levels are legit. Just they're all, you get the same thing for all the levels. I will open up more intermediate spots. The beginner, I need to change the name to those. Those are just, what was I gonna say? Those names are really just kind of just, they're just names. You get the same thing on every level. It's just really like, just how much do you want to support? Let me see if I can change this real quick though. All right, so I'm going to change the name. So first off, it's not going to be intermediate anymore. Hey, any ideas what I should change the name to? I'm going to first off change the other one to like just legacy, like the first level. But I'll add more spots for the, there we go. I had no idea that the spots were like filled up already. All right, so either way, we will have to pivot as usual. Just need to pick the lesser. Honestly, that's what it's been ever since. That's how it was introduced to me whenever Trump and Hillary were running. That's kind of how it was. So yeah, I don't know. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna sit here and update kind of my oh, I need to update my Discord. I don't do Zoom calls every Monday and Tuesday anymore. It's like I can do Zoom calls as needed, but access the morning watch list, support the channel, get a special one. Okay, yep. Yeah, okay. Okay, legacy member. Save. Okay. Yeah, Tesla is making this move up. Hey, yeah, we're doing, it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, so all right, I need a different name from intermediate investor. All right. Supposedly Trump wouldn't be opposed to having a purged. You mean like, okay, that is, nah, I don't see that sounds wild. I don't believe that. Nah, yeah. That's And then, okay, thanks for the first month. I'll go 20 to support. Then, oh, appreciate that. I mean, yeah, just get in where you want. It doesn't make a big deal to me. So Skittles is there, but I appreciate that. Skittles is there a Discord feed, so there is a free Discord, and then there is a. I mean, they're still connected. Like if you're paid, you have access to the free, and there are going to be some things you don't have access to in the free Discord that the paid people do. But when it comes to how do I keep out the trolls, honestly, they just get in and we kind of just knock them out as soon as we can. Like I'll go through and like audit. There are like multiple people in there who have like control to like kick people out. It's like we just kick them out as we see them. One thing that you'll see, even if it's like fully paid, like everyone has to pay, is that there will be people impersonating whoever's Discord it is, and they'll message people privately and have to, what's I gonna say? They will message people privately and they will like try to like scam them out of money and impersonate whoever is on the group. And most of the time when they do that, I can't personally do anything because they have me blocked. Yeah, so there are scammers everywhere. And then what was I gonna say? Sai, how much are your classes? So I'm about to start a mentorship. I'm gonna drop the link on my Discord, like the not Discord, on the Patreon, like on the announcements on Patreon. So even if you're a free Patreon member, you'll be able to see it. But I'll announce the link for like the forum. But the mentorship right now it's going to be about a month, or could go a little bit longer than that. I want to make sure everyone like has the ability to actually understand what we went over. But yeah, looking at around $400 for a month, 3 meetings a week, and so that would be for the mentorship. If you want like a one-on-one, 45 minutes is about it's $75. And then if you have any, but wait, yeah, 45 minutes is $75. And then if you are looking for, like, if you just have a question, like, feel free to ask the question here, because I often tell people like it's a benefit to me if I can show a lot of people things at once. Hold on one second. Do y'all see the charts right now? Like Nvidia and Tesla? Okay, it's showing on mine now. It's like I think whatever I'm seeing. Still don't know what to call. So it says intermediate investor here. Let's see. Oh, I see you, Victor. I see you on there. All right. So, all right. So Nvidia is at $40 right now. It's on the move. It's on the move. All right. So U.S. time change made your live streams an hour later for me here, midnight here. Good night. Have a great day. Hey, good night, Skittles. I'm about to get off myself actually. So yeah, have a good day. So I'm going to let the Nvidia ride out. Hey, remember, Psy, I would watch this 13 EMA on the 5 minute. So yeah, right now, if it comes below like 139.73, consider getting out because things can move down really fast. But ultimately, it's going to be what you want to do. It's your money. And okay, yeah, but things are starting out looking good. But yeah, we'll ultimately see how things end up playing out. But anyways, that's gonna do it for the day, family. I had a lot of fun, like talking and like just being on stream with y'all. It's been a lot of fun today. Trading penny stock. Oh, hold on, let me quick check. I'm not even sure if I'm still in that other. Let me see if I'm still in that penny stock. Nah, yeah, I think I got kicked out because I don't see it on my portfolio anymore. So yeah, I guess I got booted out. But yeah, we are running. Yeah, it looks like we are doing some pumping. We got Meta moving up. We got a lot of stuff moving up. Honestly, it's looking like a good day for things. Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.